Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Samsung played a key role in making foldable smartphones go mainstream. Since the original Samsung Galaxy Fold's debut, the company has been improving its foldable lineup. However, the company's pace of innovation has slowed down in recent years, allowing Chinese smartphone manufacturers to catch up and surpass its offering. We on Amazon Black Friday promo this season. We offer the best price and deal. Please support us. I will leave the link in the description. With the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Samsung needs to make big changes to ensure its foldables continue to dominate the sales chart. Samsung hasn't radically changed the design of its flagship foldables since its inception. There have been improvements and tweaks, but the device's look has remained unchanged over the last few years. This could change with the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Samsung is purportedly introducing a new form factor with its 2024 foldable. The outer screen on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is too narrow to type comfortably or run your favorite Android apps. Samsung's offering is the only outlier. Foldables from other companies, like the Google Pixel Fold, pack a wider cover screen. Samsung's software played a key role in its foldable phones being ahead of the competition. The company added several innovative multitasking features to One UI, which boost your productivity by taking advantage of the bigger folding screen. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 should be no different. It will presumably launch with One UI 6.1.1 based on Android 14 and pack several foldable-specific features and optimizations. If the rumors are anything to go by, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 won't get a major camera upgrade. Instead, it may use the same 50MP Gen3 sensor as the Z Fold 5. A 12MP ultra-wide and a 3x telephoto shooter may accompany the primary camera. You'll have to look elsewhere if you want a phone with amazing zoom capabilities or the best primary camera. Samsung has been bringing forward its foldable lineups launch by a few weeks every year. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Flip 5 launched in late July instead of August. The Korean giant could stick to the same time frame, or move it up a couple of weeks and unveil the Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 in mid-July. These foldables could go on sale by the end of the month. The Galaxy Z Fold SIXS pricing is unlikely to change over its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 5. The latter launched for $1,800 before taking into account trade-in offers or discounts. Samsung is likely targeting a similar price point for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. One Piece.